Yeah, let's go. Bring it straight out. Yeah, nice.
There's heaps of them over here.
Do you want me to come over? Shall I come over? Show me the thingo. Come show the camera.
Yeah.
They're so fun to catch. Oh, that's on your little reflector thingo. Right. Nice, good stuff. Chuck them right in. Nice.
Like, literally just there.
Yeah, right. Bro, they're hitting my lure, but they're, look at them, they're tiny, bro. Look, you see them?
Oh my god, I can see him.
Bro, this is nuts.
Like, literally like right there, man.
But they're only small though, so there's no point fishing for those ones. Where's your line? I'm gonna go over here. That way. Yeah, I got one! Yes! No! Like they're hitting, but they're not grabbing onto it. They're just too small. Yes! Oh, I got one! I found hooked him! It's tiny. Literally freaking tiny. Hold up. Yeah, it's gonna work. Sorry, buddy. Man, they go crazy.
Oh yeah, I bought heaps of these over as well.
Little redfin. Stay away, you never know. Oh, look! Wait, cast there. Fuck. See how crazy they are? Fucking nuts. That was crazy. Oh, touch it. Look, watch my lure. Look at my lure. Insane. They're such like angry fish, like they'll hit you. That was crazy. I haven't had them bust up right next to me like that ever. Yeah, like a virus, yeah. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck's sakes. Oh, there's a fish on here! Oh, there's a fish on it! Oh, that was nuts! I got snagged and the fish grabbed it straight away. Yeah, cast right there for now. Oh, they're on both sides. I'm just catching them on here. Cast about where I was. Let's go. I keep wanting to foul hooking on there. Yeah, I feel so bad. Sorry, buddy. Come on. There we go. Another little ready. See you later, buddy. Going there everywhere. Fuck, it's cold out here. Yeah, I was snagged and they grabbed it straight away. But I want to get a photo of like, you know, of fish. So.
I'm just gonna, whenever you post it, I'm just gonna go and screenshot it.
Yeah. Oh, yes. They're only tiny though. Oh, he's gone. Oh, this wind is horrid. But somehow the fishing is still good. Something grows in comfort, only grow in rain.
Yeah. Oh, what's it on? Got it back.
only thing is, if I snapped it off, it might have snapped the leader, so it would have taken me forever to get it back off. Chris. Oh! They're all there. I'm casting right there. They're just busting up on the servers. Oh, look at that. They're going crazy. Oh, here we go. Nice. Nice.
Oh my god, you see that?
Yes, I'm watching. Oh, they're hitting mine as well.
Oh, they're still on it.
They're tiny though.
They're still on it.
Yeah, same. Oh.
They're all right there.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
I'm going right there. There, right? Just go on my left.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, they were just tapping. They must have been tiny though.
They were fucking that lure up. I was just dangling it there and they were just fucking hitting it.
Definitely tell your dad that there's fish here, because I reckon he still has time to rig a rod up and get out of here.
Probably good now.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Serious?
Yeah. Oh, it's actually alright. Oh, that's actually a decent. Oh, shit, it's actually fighting. Oh, it doesn't look as good as I thought it was. Yeah. Yeah. Everywhere. But the wind is nuts though. Non-stop bites.
You what?
Non-stop bites. Yeah, go on. Oh, another decent one. Like they're actually fighting.
No! Oh my fucking god, I was casting. Oh!
Normally I get heaps. Been blessed today. Oh my, look at the wind. Oh my god, look behind you.
Huh?
Look at my shits over there. Like, cover your eyes real quick, hold on. Oh shit. Oh, that's bad. Oh,
Oh shit.
almost.
What did I look back at it?
Yeah, that was bad. I just wanted you to see how much dust was moving over there. And then he just got, he just popped it off. Fuck.
I was basically fucking shielding you from that shit. Fuck you.
The leader's already on there.
Take the what?
The hook's off and the leader's already on there. It's all ready to go. Now they're ready. Gone. You reckon you can fix it or not? Can you fix it? Can you fix it or not? Yeah. I'll go on. Yeah. They're getting bigger. Got another one. Have a little ready. Nothing crazy, only small. Give me this buddy. I wish the pelicans were still here. Another redfin.
Biggest one, you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon. Fuck. See you later.
Jeez, fuck off. I don't care if I fucking get the bottom. Fuck yeah.
Shit. Oh. Wait, watch this, ready? I'm about to hooks out of doom.
Hey?
I'm about to like. Oh! No way! That's crazy.
You fucking
I was full joking as well.
fell hook.
Sorry. Lucky. That's. That's crazy. Oh, Jesus. Dude, he's been caught before.
You reckon?
Yeah, for
How do you
sure.
know?
Mark all over his face. That's not even where I hooked him. Another one. See you later, mate.
Fuck you, James.
Oh, I was full joking as well.
Oh no! Oh. Let me do that. Ready?
Ah.
What?
So as usual, I'll give a rundown of everything I was using. So my rod that I was using is nothing crazy, just this $200 combo from BCF. Shimano Sedona 2500 reel with 15-pound multicolour line on it. It's braid and Shadow X rod, 3 to 6 kilos. Nothing crazy, like I said. And then with the lure, it was just a pretty normal. Hold on, sorry, just a normal grub. yeah. It's still dirty from the wheel, I haven't washed it yet. That was in the motor oil colour from Z-Man 10 Times Tough. Great lure. Nothing crazy, just redfin will hit pretty much anything, but I always find these work really well. Quarter ounce jig head. Yeah, that's it. That's all you need. I've also got these 3 lures from Predator Lures in some upcoming videos. Hopefully I can get out in the kayak and get on some cod. It's been a while since I've done a cod video. Yeah, very eager to test these out, especially this one. High hopes for that one, and these two also just look just as good. So yeah, very excited. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.